about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebony Bella. What it do? What's popping? What's good? I hope everyone is okay. So today I'd like to show you how I transform my braiding hair that's crystal to bundles, like bundles that you can use to make your weave, your sew in, your ponytail, whatever. So I just went ahead and I cut the hair into two. That's the one pack of crystal. I cut into two. So I had 1.5. I had color 1 and color 2 for the black. So what I'm basically doing is I was just trying to mix up the colors to have like a two-tone kind of thing, and I just went ahead to feather the mesh or the braiding hair, whichever way you want to call it. So that's basically what I'm doing, and I went ahead to like put my thread on the chair. I know everybody can do that, so I didn't want to like make the video long showing how to put the thread on the chair. So I just went ahead and did. So I'm just feathering the mesh, not to give it that blunt look. So that's basically it, and I just go ahead to comb it to make it smooth so I can start weaving. So I'm done with it and just brushing it out to remove all the tangle. As you know, it's synthetic hair, it gets tangled a lot. So that's what I'm doing. I just take the mesh. It's self-explanatory. Even I don't even have to really talk. Just watch me do it and you can do it yourself. It's very simple, guys. Just use your 2 fingers, like twist the hair and then take it and then you pass it through the loop, and that's just all. So I've gone a long way. Just keep doing the same thing. So I decided to speed it up because it's basically the same thing over and over and over again. So I finished the first section and I'm back again to do the second section. This 1.5 pack actually gave me 3 bundles. Yeah, 3 bundles of hair. That's quite a lot. And I wanted it to be long, so that's why I divided it into 2. So it started raining, so I had to get into the house. So after weaving the hair to my thread, I went ahead to use my hot how do you call the thing, flat iron, to like press that part that I'm pressing down so that it doesn't move. Since it is synthetic hair, it's going to melt and stick together, so that when I want to use it, it doesn't like move all around. So that's just basically what I'm doing. Use your flat iron and melt the upper part so it sticks together, so that if you're going to make a weave, or let me say if you're going to make a wig cap or sew it to your hair, like the hair wouldn't shed. So after doing that, I went ahead to use my warm flat iron. I didn't want, you don't have to use hot because it's going to burn the hair, it's going to melt, because it is synthetic hair, it's going to melt. So use the flat iron when it's warm. Is it warm? Hot, but not too hot enough for it to burn. To try to smoothen it, I wanted to make it a little bit smoother and and reduce the volume of the hair, like to make it smooth. You know, I want to fake it to make it look sleek, as if we were putting on human hair. Broke girl hacks. Yeah, I'm all for broke girl hacks. Like, you want to slay, if you don't have the money to slay, you fake it until you have the money to buy the 24 inches and the 30 inches kind of hair and the 40 inches. But since we don't have the coins for that, we go ahead and make ours and still slay. I'm not faking yourself now. They do and small, they watch them as they go, banga the bole. Stay happy in any situation, guys. Use the little things that you have around you to make yourself happy and beautiful. Don't go killing yourself because you want to look like everybody. Do your own thing and look like you. When you have the money, you go ahead and buy all those fancy things. So that's our weave. I'll just go ahead to wrap it like how when you go to the store and you buy the store-bought one, that's how it comes wrapped. They get all fancy and all bushy. Yeah, that's it. So I'll take this yellow thread or gold that I removed from another weave, the weave that I did. I'm just going to wrap it up to make it look classy, to make it look like we just bought a 42 inches kind of human hair that's long and fabulous. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, and there we have it, guys. See how beautiful it is. So that's the final product. So guys, stay tuned. On the next video, I'm going to show you how I do a wig cap out of these bundles. Thanks for watching and bye. See you on the next one.